donne cette liberté de nous réjouir en toi.
Hello class, it's Mrs. Francine, a grade 4 teacher of Spring of Life Christian School. We have been talking about social studies and we took the subject of science. We are going to continue with this subject again. This time we are not going to talk about the state liquid, but we are going to talk about the gas liquid. Let me try to remind you that the properties of liquid, first of all, a liquid doesn't have a fixed shape, and liquid takes the shape of the container where it is in. Now let us go in deep with our today's lesson. We are talking about gas state, as I told you. Gas has no shape, but it takes up space. For example, in the room where I am, in the classroom, and over there at home where you are, it is a space. And everywhere there is gas that you cannot see. A gas moves around freely and spreads out into open spaces. Like I told you, for example, of this glass, do you see it? There is gas, but you cannot see it. It moves freely because it is open. There is no way for us to contain it inside this glass. I continue. Gases will not stay in an open container or space. They can be contained in a closed space, such as air inside a balloon. For example, here is my balloon. I'm going to show you. Here I have my balloon. If you see the balloon inside, why is it so like this? It's because I blowed gas inside, and I can contain gas when I close this balloon. Because if I leave it freely, you see that the gas will be going outside, and you are unable to see the gas that is coming outside. So in order to contain a gas, let me tell you that we must close the container. Not only the balloon, there is again a bottle of water. If you see this bottle of water, there is no liquid. I open it, you see that gas is moving freely, and I am unable to contain the gas inside. But if I close my bottle of water, you see that gas is inside that you are unable to see. Now, you cannot see, feel, or smell some gases, like the gas inside this balloon. You can't see it, neither you can't smell it or feel it. Air is made of different gases. As I told you see inside which kind of a gas is here? It is air, and air comes outside. We can't sort it. We can't see it, excuse me. Example, there are some gases also that have color, like the smoke. If they burn, they can burn papers, they can burn timbers, you can see that. There will be gases or the flames that are going the smoke that is coming out. And that is also a kind of a gas. Here there is one question that we are going to solve it